Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the story The Elevator. The Elevator लिखी गई है विलियम स्लेटर के द्वारा. So, The Elevator is about a boy named Martin who recently moved with his father to a new apartment. वो अपने फादर के साथ एक न्यू बिल्डिंग न्यू अपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट हो चुका है. Then is लिविंग ऑन द 17th फ्लोर. कौन से फ्लोर पे वो रहता था? 17th फ्लोर. इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर MCQ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. मार्टिन हैज़ नो चॉइस बट टू टेक द एलिवेटर. द आइडिया ऑफ एलिवेटर टेरिफाइज हिम. उसको डर लगता था एलिवेटर से. वट एग्जैक्टली इज मार्टिन सो अफ्रेड ऑफ? यूज what you have learned about plot and conflict to analyze this unsettling story. So let's start with the story, line by line explanation. Short story by William Slater. So, it was an old building with an old elevator. तो बिल्डिंग कैसी थी? ओल्ड बिल्डिंग थी और ओल्ड एलिवेटर था. A very small elevator. How was that elevator? अब वो स्टार्ट होगा. एक तो था very small. Elevator was very small, which could carry only 3 people. How much people? 3 people carry. तो उसकी maximum capacity थी 3 people. Martin, a thin 12-year-old, felt nervous in it from the first day. पहले दिन से ही he was too nervous using that elevator. So, and his father moved into the apartment. Of course, he was also uncomfortable in elevators, afraid that they would fall, but there was something especially unpleasant about it. मतलब कि उसको लगता था कि हम गिर सकते हैं उस एलिवेटर से. एलिवेटर की रोप माइट भी टूट जाए. बट स्पेशली कुछ अनप्लेजेंट भी था उसके बारे में. Perhaps its baleful atmosphere was due to the light from the single fluorescent ceiling strip, bleak and dim on the dirty brown walls. मतलब कि वो एम्बियंस दिखाई है कि कैसा था वो जो भी वो एलिवेटर था वो कैसा था. पुअर लाइटनिंग थी. जो वहाँ पे डर्टी वॉल्स थी. बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था उसका क्या एम्बियंस. प्रॉब्लम perhaps the problem was the door which never stayed open quite long enough and slammed shut. Slam मतलब एकदम forcefully, जैसे आवाज़ आती है ना ठाकी, वैसे एकदम बजता था. Excuse me. With yeah, so such ominous clanging finality. So वो यही कह रहा है कि जो भी वो स्लैम करता था, शट करता था, और उसे वो सब पसंद नहीं था. Perhaps it was the way the mechanism shuddered in kind of exhaustion each time it left a floor, as though it might never reach the next one. मतलब कि वो यही कह रहा that it was too slow. मतलब कि वो उसको ये भी नहीं पता था कि वो अगले फ्लोर तक पहुंचेगा भी कि नहीं. Maybe it was simply the dimensions of the contraception that bothered him. मतलब dimensions कम थी, so smaller than it felt uncomfortably crowded even when there was only one or other person in it. मतलब अगर सिर्फ 2 people भी हों उस एलिवेटर के अंदर तो भी वो क्राउडेड लगता है. क्या लगता है? क्राउड लगता है. जैसे एलिवेटर में क्राउड है. इवन 2 people है लेकिन उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी थी? 3. तो ये सब उसने बताया है. नेक्स्ट, कमिंग होम from school the day after they moved in, Martin tried the stairs, but they were almost bad, windowless, shadowy, with several dark landings where the light bulbs has burnt out. His footsteps, मतलब सारा वहाँ का सिनेरियो बताया गया है जो क्या थी, स्टेयर्स का सिनेरियो बताया गया है जो कि बहुत, मतलब उसका सिनेरियो बहुत गंदा था. इट वॉज नॉट गुड. His footstep echoed behind him like like slaps on the cement. कि उसकी मतलब कि जो इको कर रही थी उसकी स्टेप्स, और ऐसे ही लग रहा था जैसे पीछे एक और कोई आ रहा है. As though there was another person climbing, getting closer. But the time he reached the 17th floor, where was Martin living? 17th floor. आपको पहले भी मैंने यहाँ बताया था that Martin was living on the 17th floor, which seemed to take forever. He was winded and gasping. तो मतलब कि उसको यही था कि वो गैस मतलब ब्रेथ लेने लग गया था तेज तेज, कि उसके पीछे कोई आ रहा है, क्योंकि वो भी तेज भाग रहा है, फिर वो नॉइज़ भी तेज भागेगी. His father, who worked at home, wanted to know why he was so out of breath. वो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ऐसे तेज तेज सांस ले रहा था, तो उसके फादर ने पूछा इतनी तेज क्यों मतलब सांस ले रहे हो. बट वाई डिडेंट यू टेक द एलिवेटर. फिर उसके फादर पूछते हैं कि तूने एलिवेटर क्यों नहीं लिया, तूने सिर्फ स्टेयर्स क्यों ली. ही आस्क्ड फ्राउनिंग एट मार्टिन. वो मतलब मार्टिन की तरफ ऐसे सरकाजम यूज करते हुए टॉन्टफुल वे में कहता है कि why don't you took the elevator. Martin, when he explained about the stairs, not only are you skinny and weak. So यहाँ आप एक question लिखो that according to father, what is the ambience or appearance of Martin. या आप ये भी आ सकता है क्वेश्चन, विच इंसिडेंट कंपेल्ड मार्टिन टू टेक द एलिवेटर. इसके बाद वो एलिवेटर लेने लग गया था. कौन सा इंसिडेंट था? यही इंसिडेंट था उसके फादर ने जो सार्काज़म यूज़ की थी उसके अपोजिशन में. नॉट ओनली आर यू स्किनी एंड वीक, वो वीक था, एंड बैड एट स्पोर्ट्स में बैड था. हिज इम्प्रेशन सीम टू से बट यू आर अ कॉवर्ड. कैसा है वो? Coward है. After that told himself just the way he got used to being bullied at the school. वो स्कूल पे भी bully होता था, and always picked last when they choose the teams. मतलब उसको हमेशा लास्ट पे चूज़ किया जाता था जब भी कोई टीम सिलेक्ट होती थी. The elevator was undeniable fact of life, जो उसे यूज़ करना ही पड़ता था. So next is, he didn't get used to it. He was always afraid that it would stop suddenly. कि मतलब वो सोचता था कि मतलब वो गिर सकता है, कभी भी स्टॉप हो सकता है. He remained tense in the trembling little box. What is the little box? The elevator. लिटिल बॉक्स किसको कहा है? एलिवेटर को. His eyes fixed on the number over the doors that blinked on and off as if any moment they might simply give up. Sometimes he forced himself to look away from them to the emergency stop button. कभी वो इधर देखता, कभी वो उधर देखता. Or the red alarm button. What would happen if he pushed one of them? Would a bell ring? Would the elevator stop between the floors? And if it did, how would they get him out? तो मेनली आज हम ये एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं स्टोरी की. इसमें मेनली उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा भी दिया हुआ है अबाउट द एलिवेटर एनालिसिस में. That was what he heard, what he hated about being alone on the thing. The fear on being trapped there for hours by himself. But it wasn't much better when there was other passengers. मतलब जब other passengers होते थे वो फिर भी अच्छा फील करता था. He felt too close to any other rider to initiate, मतलब कि कंफर्ट पाने के लिए. And he was always very conscious of the efforts people made not to look on at one another, staring fixedly at nothing. Being short in this situation was an advantage since his face was below the eye level of adults and after a brief glance they ignored him. मतलब उसका हाइट कम थी तो उसको इग्नोर कर दिया जाता था. एक वन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है MCQ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. What was the age of Martin? Martin was 12 year old. How much? 12 year. Next, until the morning, the elevator stopped at the 14th floor. कौन सा floor? 14th floor. And the fat lady got in. She wore a threadbare green coat that ballooned around her. Her ankles bulged over dirty sneakers. As she waddled into the elevator, Martin was sure he felt it sink under her weight. मतलब गिर जाएगा, उसकी वेट में से डूब जाएगा. She was so big that she filled the cubicle. Cubicle मतलब elevator. Her coat brushed against him and he had to squeeze in the corner. वो confine हो गया corner of the elevator. There certainly wouldn't have been room for another passenger. The door slammed quickly behind her, and then, unlike everyone else, she did not stand facing the door. She stood with her back to the door, staring directly at Martin. किसको stare कर रही थी? वो मार्टिन को stare करने लग गई. For a moment he met her gaze. He met her gaze. उसको देखने लग गया वो. Her features seemed very small, squashed together by the loose fleshy mounds of her cheek. cheek पे बहुत flesh था. She had no chin, only a great swollen mass of neck. मतलब कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा flesh था, उसके chin भी नहीं था. Barely contained by the collar of a coat. Her sparse red hair was pinned back by a plastic barrette, and her blue eyes through tiny were sharp and penetrating, boring into Martin's face. So today we have done till Martin's face, and for today we'll keep it till here. In next video we'll start with the line 55. So we have many more lines and we'll try to complete it in the next video. Till that, goodbye everyone. Bye.